Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rocket Lawyer, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Rocket Lawyer, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Rocket Lawyer, www.rocketlawyer.com. Wait for the home page to load completely. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, locate the Get Started or Sign Up option on the home page. Click on Get Started to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide your name, email, and create a secure password. After filling out the information, click the Create Account or Continue button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for a message from Rocket Lawyer. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Rocket Lawyer homepage. You can now log in using your email and password. Once logged in, explore the dashboard for various resources. Choose the service you need, such as legal documents or advice. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the selected service. If you have questions, locate the Help or Support section. Click to access FAQs or contact customer support for assistance. For more personalized help, consider using the live chat feature. Once connected, you will be able to ask questions and get guidance. Bookmark the site for easy access in the future. This will help you quickly return to your legal resources when needed. Now you are ready to make the most of Rocket Lawyer's services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.